Hey guys, what's up? We're Seth and Megan. We have been hiking what seems like every day for, the last 5 days. We are still here in Zion National Park, and today we are hiking Angel's Landing. Now, if you watched the last video, that was from yesterday, and I had said that this is the world's most dangerous hike. It's not really true, it's not the world's most dangerous hike, but it is one of the more dangerous hikes in the country. There's been multiple people that has died on this hike. So, throughout our 2 miles to the summit, we are going to give you advice, things that we would like people to know, and things for people to do. And if today's video is a little more sluggish than the other ones, it's because we are extremely tired. But this hike is going to be awesome. Let's get started, and let's hope we don't fall. So, if you're gonna do Angel's Landing, I highly recommend getting here early. We got on the bus at 8 this morning. It's 8:30 now, so it takes about 30 minutes to get here on the bus. It is a very steep hike. Your first 2 miles, you are ascending 1,500 foot in elevation, and this is what it looks like.
Close your eyes, get some rest. I'm by your side, lay your head on my chest.
Oh, we are 1 mile in to the 2-mile ascension to the landing at the top. This hike is a cardio killer. If you're not in shape or used to the elevation, take your time, for sure, because we have to go all the way up there. Make sure you wear comfortable clothing, secure clothing. Make sure your shoes are good shoes. While thousands of people hike this every day, there still have been 13 people that's died on this hike, and you don't want to be a statistic. So make sure that you are prepared. Hydrate, carb load, get ready for the day. Let's keep going.
I understand. I know it hurts. It wasn't fair. It's over now, so don't despair. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay.
We haven't seen any owls like we hoped we would, but fingers crossed that we actually get to see condors when we cross over the chains to the other side. Now that I think about how I just said that, that doesn't sound too promising about how our day is gonna go. So maybe we don't want to see condors. Whew. Let's keep going and let's stay quiet.
Fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay.
All right, let's get prepped for this last big push. Look at this.
Okay, so we've gone 1.9 miles now. We've reached the point where you're going to start the chain section. Seth is going to continue to that point. I'm going to stop here with my dad. So he will be filming the rest and he's going to get on going.
All right, we're going to break down the rig. We're going to pack it in the backpack, but we are going to GoPro and we are going to get in line. Let's switch. So here up above us, we actually have a Condor. Super cool. I think there's supposed to be 2 or 3 of them that kind of hang out here around the area. Let's keep going. So we finally made it to the top. It took what felt like forever to get here. It was definitely a little scary. If you're not comfortable climbing and being on the edge of a 1,500-foot cliff, I would say probably skip this one. You can go up to the lookout where everybody else hangs out, but if you're just not confident, I wouldn't do it. The views, though, are so worth it. If you can gain the confidence and you feel like this is for you, you're gonna be rewarded with just beautiful, amazing views. I can't get over this. This is probably the best hike I've ever done. Alright guys, we are back to the bottom. We hiked all the way to the top and back. It was 5.82 miles round trip, over 12,500 steps. But what an amazing, amazing hike. This is definitely one of the best hikes that I've ever done, but the competitive side of me, now that I'm down at the bottom, was like, that wasn't too bad. What's next? What's harder? What's scarier? So I think we're gonna have to find that for one of our future videos. When you get to the bottom, and even before you start, there is fresh spring water. I grew up on a farm drinking water out of a hose from a well, so I don't think this is gonna hurt me. But if you're worried about bacteria, suck it up. This water tastes amazing. Tonight, we're packing up. Tomorrow we are leaving for Vegas. We have a day there, and then we are headed home. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, hit that subscription button down below. Hit the notification bell because we have tons of cool things planned in Phoenix, Arizona. We will see you on the next one.